You're probably seeing these viral videos right now that are popping off on social media, and I'm going to teach you how you can actually make them for yourself. And as long as you know the formula, you can do this to any character. So here are some examples. If you didn't know already, my name is Kanjilo. I'm a AI marketing specialist based here in Melbourne, Australia. I own an agency and I help business owners and people like yourself learn AI real quickly. So I'm going to just dive in and we'll show you how this workflow works. So if you don't know already, Higgsfield has this model that you can use called motion control. And with motion control, all you need is the source video. So you can grab any dance from TikTok, and we're going to choose Tyler Chanel. And you can just grab any video here and download that. Once you've downloaded this, you can share the link. So if you go into here, go into TikTok, and then what you do is you go into this tool called SnapTick. And from SnapTick, you just download it. So we'll just download it. So you can prepare it right here, download it. And then what you can do is you can go into Higgsfield as well, go to image and go to the Nana Banana Pro. And you can get it to pretty much create any prompt for you to help you with that. So if you're not sure how to create prompts to create the images, all you need to do is you can leverage this or you can go to ChatGPT because ChatGPT is really good at making prompts. So make me a prompt. So let's do Snape, yeah? Make me a prompt of Snape looking at us. So it'll just make your prompt. And the thing is I will post this in the documents in the tutorial so that you get a feel of what this looks like. So if we just generate this, copy paste, right? You will just get that to generate. So just make sure it is 9:16 as well ratio. So you just generate. So it'll take 2 credits. And the cool thing about Higgsfield is that it does it real quickly. So we'll let that one load.
2,000 years later.
So I got something like this, but I have pre-prepared one, and I'll show you the exact prompt for that as well, so that you can just plug and play. And that's the cool thing about Higgsfield, or even just Google Gemini as well. You can just grab any video and image, and you can chuck it in here. So for example, I use this as a reference. So if you have a look, you can just copy that as a reference. So you can have a look. So you grab the video. So the downloaded video that you grabbed from here, then you upload that into Kling Motion Control through Higgsfield. Then you upload the image that you want. So obviously what you do here is you add image. So let's find Snape again. Where's Snape? Yeah. Yep, so there's Snape, and I'll show you the prompt so that you can create Snape yourself. And then you type in this prompt. It's very simple. It doesn't have to be too complicated. So it just, all you need to do when you think about prompts is you need to be able to reference the image, and then you need to follow the pattern that's in the video. That's all it does because the AI does that already for you. It just follows it, but you just need to follow it. You can say no audio, but it will put the audio that's in the video already. So what you do is you click generate, and once you click generate, it'll take a bit of time, right? So once that's generated, you'd get something like this. So you can do it with anyone. So I did it with Android 18. I'll show you the prompts for that too. So you can do the same thing here. So they had a video, which is this one as a reference. So this is, I think, Cat's Eye, but pretty much you can, put any character here. So obviously this is Android 18 played by Sydney Sweetie. Sydney Sweet. Yeah. It's pretty cool. So you can just do it for anyone, even different Lego figures as well. So it depends on the image that you want to. So you can do it for any one of them. If you don't want to use Higgs field, you can use Kling as well. So Kling 2.6 and Kling AI. So Kling actually is free, but what it will do is that it will take a long time for it to load. So if I were you, I'll jump onto Higgsfield. I'll show you the link to Higgsfield as well in the details and the in the description of this video too. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Have fun creating. I had a lot of fun creating these dance videos, and they are going viral right now, which is quite cool. And you can use it for anything really. So like, it doesn't have to be dance videos. It could be like talking videos as well. It could be, a famous movie quote. And it could be anything. So. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you really liked what I shared, feel free to subscribe and comment that you liked this video as well. And I look forward to sharing more of these types of videos going forward as well. So I'll catch you in the next one, and yeah, enjoy creating.